Welcome viewer. Today's topic is biology and life sciences. Which part of the cell is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. What is the basic functional and structural unit of life? Cell is the basic functional and structural unit of the body. Which pigment gives human skin, hair and eyes their color? The correct answer is melanin. It protects skin from UV radiation. What is the longest bone in the human body? The correct answer is femur thigh bone. It is also the strongest and heaviest. Which vitamin is also known as ascorbic acid? The correct answer is vitamin C. It is essential for the repair of body tissues. Blood purification in the human body takes place in which organ? Correct answer. Kidneys filter waste products and excess water from the blood to form urine. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? Correct answer. O-negative blood can be given to patients of any blood type in emergencies. What is the process by which plants make their own food? The correct answer is photosynthesis. Which part of the human brain controls balance and posture? The correct answer is cerebellum. What is the normal resting heart rate for an adult? The correct answer is 60 to 100 beats per minute. Which hormone is known as the fight or flight hormone? The correct answer is adrenaline, epinephrine. What is the chemical name of the vitamin B1? The correct answer is thiamine. Which part of the eye is responsible for the distinct color of a person's eye? The correct answer is iris. What is the total number of chromosomes in a normal human cell? The correct answer is 46, 23 pairs. Which acid is produced in the human stomach to aid digestion? The correct answer is hydrochloric acid, HCl. What is the main function of red blood cells, RBCs? The correct answer is transport oxygen. Which gland is known as the master gland of the human body? The correct answer is pituitary gland. The deficiency of which mineral causes anemia? The correct answer is iron. Iron is necessary for the production of hemoglobin in the blood. What is the study of fungi called? The correct answer is mycology. Fungi include yeasts, molds, and mushrooms. Which instrument is used to measure blood pressure? The correct answer is sphygmomanometer. What is the main sugar found in milk? The correct answer is lactose. Which vitamin is synthesized in the human body in the presence of sunlight? The correct answer is vitamin D. What is the largest organ of the human body? The correct answer is skin. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A? The correct answer is night to blindness. The penicillin antibiotic was discovered by whom? The correct answer is Alexander Fleming. Day 29 completed. In next video we will discuss about science and technology. Please subscribe.